rAVe Radio. With rants and raves, you'll be okay. And today is your lucky day. It is rants and raves with Gary K.
Hey everyone, this is Gary K, and welcome to another special edition of my Rants and Raves. We've been doing pre-InfoComm editions of my Rants and Raves, and today is one of those days. As you know, I only picked a few, maybe a handful of companies to do the pre-InfoComm Rants and Raves with, and one of those is Sony, and I'm joined with Rich Ventura, the Vice President. Hey, Rich, how are you doing?
Good. Can't believe we're almost there.
I know it is. It's kind of amazing. We're like 3 weeks away, and it just seems like the year's gone really quickly. You're gonna. I know you. Look, everyone's gonna go by your booth. You have a history of doing something really spectacular in your booth every year over the last 5 or 6 years. Certainly been anchored with LED recently, and you'll be in Central Hall in booth 8301. Can you kind of give us a hint as to what you're planning?
You know, we've got a lot going on. We always do, right? And so I think we have something like 14 or 15 very unique areas within the booth, and we have almost 30 different manufacturer partners and other partners in our booth as well. And so it's, you know, if you think about these last, what are we at, 5 months, right? We've announced the new rAVe lineup. So that's going to be front and center of the booth with all the redesign and everything we do with the rAVe lineup, right? Then you add in everything we've done with the new S-Series LED. That's going to have a very big area. You've got our traditional LEDs will have a big area. Very heavy focus around applications. It's not, it's not a, here's our widget, right? It's very much how the products are being used and telling a story. One of the things that we did last year for the first time was we centered in the center of our booth around technology and innovation, called it the heart of the booth, right? So this year we extended that, and there's going to tell the whole story of the transformation of rAVe. It's going to talk about device management platforms and control systems. It's going to talk about ways to deploy Sony faster than our competition. It's going to talk about our sustainability message. That's all kind of the heart of us, and then all around it are all the applications. One of the areas I'm really, really excited about in the booth is we actually are going to have a full corporate broadcast setup. So it's going to have everything from the LEDs to the cameras. It's going to show how the backdrops are designed. It's going to be really telling a complete story around that. And that's working with one of our partners. We're really excited. Actually, it's working with like 4 of our partners in this whole thing because you really can't do it by yourself.
Yeah.
And that's working with, Forte is from an integrated perspective, is part of this thing. And we have quite a few other partners in it as well, right? And then you take in the back center of the booth, we're focusing around digital signage, and we're telling a journey as you go. If you remember last year, we opened up the back of our booth.
Yeah.
We did that again this year, so that's actually going to be an area where people can walk through, and there's going to be an entire story in there. And in there, we're doing a complete story working with AVI-SPL's XTG group. So we're really trying to pull not just manufacturers into this, we're also pulling our integration partners. And also, I'd even remiss in that area that I was talking about with corporate production, we're also working with Original Syndicate, which is a company normally most people in our industry don't know a lot about. And then you add in View and others. And I mean, I can go on and on about all the different partners that are going to be in the booth. It's really cool, all the things that the team is working on.
Well, I'm really excited about your corporate production suite thing that you're doing, because I think to a lot of companies, a lot of integrators especially, I think that is kind of intimidating because it does encompass products outside of our industry. Yes, certainly we sell cameras, we sell displays, the LED backdrops, but it's the coordination of the camera with the display, the perspective that you have to have, and then the software and server elements of that are in lighting and other things that come along with it that are important. That shown as a full system, I think is going to be really powerful, and it'll help the integrators know who are those companies they can count on to do sort of like this. I don't want to say system in a box approach, but I mean you're going to kind of break it down that way. It sounds like
we are, and I think what's really important to understand is, and I've been learning this nonstop as we work with the virtual production side of our business, This is not a traditional sale, as we all know, right? This is a very
Yeah.
unique type of sale.
Yeah.
And traditional integration is not designed to support this business. You have to really think differently. And I always keep saying, you hear me talk a lot about we have to bring partners. Partners are a critical component to this. And I think in the virtual production area itself, I want to say there's like 6 or 7 companies who had to come together to deliver this solution. And for anyone to tell you, oh, we can do it all by ourselves, they're fooling you. You
Yeah.
can't, right? It takes so many different manufacturers to be involved to do an activation like this. And it really isn't a simple activation. I mean, it really is a complex activation. And when you're taking Forte, you're taking Original Syndicate, View, Aperture, Megapixel, Sony, six companies working together to build a executive outbound broadcast solution. That shows you just how intense this can be.
Yeah. And then you add on to that the archival and distribution, which Sony is famous for, right? I mean, that's something that you guys are pretty amazing with internally with your own events. So I imagine that's going to be a part of it as well. Now, the digital signage side, that's something that you've always been a pioneer in the signage market. In fact, I think you were the first person I ever heard use the term verbally digital signage when with your former company. I know that's a big part of AV now. It used to be kind of like this separate little piece of AV, but now it's become a bigger part because, internal communications, right? I think it's kind of grown quite a bit through internal communications. And of course, the outbound opportunities are huge.
It is. And, I think we're all at the point now where we're kind of sick of the term digital signage.
Yeah. Yeah, I agree. I wish we could come up with a better term. I've been saying digital experience, but I mean, it's still
it's
nebulous.
experience, it's corporate communications, it's all the different things, right? I think the thing that digital signage has done, which is really exciting, is it took. If you think we go back historically, we talked about signage being a way to communicate, right? And I think it's realized that digital signage actually plays across all the strengths of the Pro AV space. You see digital signage being integrated into collaboration spaces. You're seeing collaboration spaces integrating into digital signage. You're seeing corporate communications not only at the display level, you're seeing at the desktop level, the mobile device level, all those things, right? Which Pro AV is really good because we're really good at connecting systems and integrating systems across very complex systems. And so, signage is core to our business now. It really is. It's table stakes. And what we wanted to do was we wanted to showcase the multiple different vertical applications where our products fit, as well as promote our partners and build an experience all in one. And so working really closely with our different partners, working with the XTG group and some other things we're doing. I don't want to let all the cat out of the bag yet.
Yeah.
Some really cool stuff we're doing. But keep in mind, that experience is going throughout the entire booth, because if you look at on the front of our booth with LED, on the side of our booth with LED, and the S series and some of the other products that we'll be announcing and showing, signage is a core component to all of that, right?
Yeah.
And what's also really key and critical for everyone to think about as we talk about this is we're really focusing on what are customers' pain points, where are customers trying to focus, where are they investing, where do they need help? And that's why, just going back to my transparency, is we know we can't do everything by ourselves. And so we bring in the different partners to help deliver these types of solutions. And a really easy prime example outside of even signage is where we're going to showcase the S series. One of the things we've done is working with ViewWall. We're going to show a command and control network operations center applications. We don't make that product, right? That's not a Sony product. We're working with the team up at ViewWall to be able to support and target and build business in that space, because we've seen a lot of growth in the command and control space, which is separate from signage, but it still has a signage element to it because you can integrate, you can intermix corporate communications and other ways to communicate to employees while they're standing in front of, working in front of the big command and control center.
Yeah, and also I've seen a big growth in command and control, for lack of a better term, for social media management as well. More and more companies are realizing that that to do true social media management, you need to have a command center, very much like the military does, to be able to monitor everything. So I think that's a huge market.
Yeah, traditional dashboards don't cut it anymore.
Yeah.
But, you need to be able to see what people are saying about your organization, how they're engaging with your organization in real time, so you can respond to them. And definitely seeing a lot of focus around those command and control network operation spaces, pulling lots of data in.
Well, look, we've been talking with Rich Ventura, the vice president of Sony Professional Display Group. They're going to be in Central Hall in booth 8301. Put that on your schedule to go by there. There's some things we haven't talked about that you're going to do that are going to be kind of fun and exciting. So definitely make sure you stop by there and get in touch with your Sony rep. Just in case there might be something going on that you need to attend. So anyway, thanks, Rich. I really appreciate you joining me. And we're, of course, going to go by there and shoot videos of all the things we talked about, all these different activations, as well as the new products that will be there as well. And you can see all that at raypubs.com/InfoComm. Rich, thank you very much for joining me.
Well, thank you. Look forward to seeing everybody in Vegas.
And we got a lot more to cover in the next 3 weeks. So stay tuned, and all of it is at raypubs.com.
rAVe Radio. With rants and raves,